África abunda la caca.
What's song now? Yes, sir.
Chai!
Come. We have some revision to do today.
Funke!
Hurry up. Today, I have some revision that I want to give you, and you have to answer me clearly. Explain the factors favoring the people of Bunyiri village. I want 5 answers. Increased death rates, which is a source of employment to grave diggers, which has improved on their standards of living. Low expenditure of food stuff during burial services due to the low population. Well improved transport and communication system which connect different wizards in different areas to make demonstrations.
Okay.
Favorable government policy of manufacturing bombs to clear away bushes for farming.
She what?
Favorable government policy of manufacturing bombs to clear away the bushes for farming.
Ta-da!
Too much animals like cows and goats which defecate and fertilize the land, hence improving on crop yields.
Ciao.
The answers were so fantastic. Yes, sir. Now outline the problems facing the people of Bunyiri village. You pretend to be knowing more. Continue. Pests and diseases like corona and mosquitoes which are scared away wizards. Limited capital to buy cement to design the graves. Shortage of land to practice witchcraft. Civil wars among members of who to bury. Poor communication system to communicate to their chairman.
Oh no!
And now we are going to question C. Give 5 solutions to the problems in the area in B above. Give them according to your thinking. Wizards should come together to fight against corona by wearing of masks. The government should provide loans to deal away with limited capital. The chairman should lead away some people to create space for activities.
Jesus!
Government should set up strict laws of punishing such families which create up wars.
Oh God, please no!
The chairman should buy a call box to every home in his community to improve on communication.
Fight!
Now, in question 2, it is too contradicting. I have to be sensitive.
Continue.
Give some of the sources of employment to the people of Bunyiri village.
How supposed to we hear of this?
5 marks.
Continue.
DJs who bang music during the burial services.
Hey! I hear me, tell me, by me.
Big farm that provide the ledger to the people in the community.
You only you waka come.
Big mining sites of sand, hence a source of employment.
Pregnant?
Just 2 main occupations to the people in the area mentioned above.
Look at you!
The area that I mentioned to you above.
Funke!
You mentioned it above.
Funke!
Farming,
Will you keep quiet?
witchcraft,
Jesus is Lord!
There is God. Oh. Chai!
Wimboni naimba maombi nikiomba Mwenyezi Mungu aibariki Kenya yangu kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana Roho Mtakatifu, amina.